So we're here in Dallas again with another roof installation. Want to go over the materials that we'll be installing today. So what we have here is an impact resistant class 4 shingle. Just fancy terms for the highest level of impact resistant shingles. So these are the new shingles we'll be installing. One thing that's really good to point out is what we're installing today is an Owens Corning Weather Guard shingle. And you can see that's a class 4 right below it. So this is the highest level impact resistant shingle you can get. A lot of our clients get about 15 to 20% off on a homeowner's insurance with going with this type of shingle. There is an upgrade cost associated with it, but we find that most of our clients break even on their investment within 3 to 5 years. So if you're going to be in your home for more than 5 years, we highly recommend looking at this. At that point, you'll start to save money. The big savings comes when another hailstorm comes by. So when you have this shingle, another storm comes by and all of your neighbors are getting new roofs and yours did its job and doesn't need to be replaced, you're going to save your deductible when all of your neighbors are having to pay theirs, saving thousands of dollars. With that, we've had clients in McKinney, for instance, that have had their home hit year after year, literally replacing their roof 3 times in a row. If they'd had this, they'd save thousands of dollars. It's not for everybody, but depending on how long you're going to be at your home and what you're looking to invest into it, this can be a great option.